Gnarly. I probably threw myself right. Oh. Whoa. That went over the bars on that one. All right, guys, back here at the Rotary. Rotary. Don't have a lot of time today, so it won't be much talking. Let me start my app, and we're just gonna get right into it today. Let's do it. First run. Are we open? Are we open, man? Okay. I didn't see you. Is everything or just?
Yeah, I'm just working on this line, but I'll come back your way.
Oh no, okay, sweet, awesome. Thank you. Out here working on the trail. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here. Run number 3. Gnarly.
That last one maybe right?
I probably threw myself right.
A little more to the left.
Okay.
The safe line looks like it's to the right because it's lower.
Yeah.
They tend to go there when they're cautious.
Okay.
But it's designed to go more center to left, so it does throw you right.
So I'm jumping into the berm essentially, or?
No, it's before the
Okay, so the last one more left.
Yeah, go more left. Like you can see the tank
Yeah.
landing is, it looks like it's throwing you that way.
Okay.
It'll pop you.
All right. Builder guy said hit the last jump in the run on the left side. So we're gonna try that. Oh man. It's a little scary. It's kind of deceiving on the left side there. I'll get it though. Oh. All right, last one. This is me just trying to get my skills up. All right. Last one. What's your name, man? Luke. All right, so this part of the video is going to be me talking to this gentleman here. He's working on the trails or the jump track here at Rotary Park. It's a lot of good knowledge about the area and just some basic mountain bike knowledge. If you want to stick around and listen to it, obviously you're more than welcome. If you want to get back to the riding portion of the video, just fast forward to around 16 minutes and we pick back up kind of where we left off.
It's terrifying.
It's so different.
There's no weight in the bike and you
Yeah.
can't know where it's going and I'm afraid to get it off the ground.
Yeah. I'm just getting, so like I was out at what's it, North Ford?
Yeah.
Trying to jump those wooden kickers there, right there at the hub area.
Yep.
And for some reason I feel like zero control. I don't know what it was, but on these dirt jumps I feel a little better.
The roots going into those.
Oh yeah,
helpful.
Those are pretty rough, yeah.
But also, I mean, there wasn't that rooty when we put those in.
Uh-huh.
But as long as you have the right speed,
yeah,
then you don't really have to do much on those. But as soon as you start like clearing the bigger one, that it's only 8 feet long.
Yeah.
You know, it's not really enough time to like do anything.
Yeah.
And you know, they're designed to be beginner jumps, and just like, look, just because it's big doesn't mean it's scary.
Mm-hmm.
It can actually, it's more helpful.
Oh, but it's scary.
Yeah.
Looking at it, I'm like, dang, dude. On a dirt bike, it would just like nothing, but.
Exactly.
And then like I feel like you have to like compress the bike more and do all this stuff that I'm not used to doing. You just can kind of seat bounce on a dirt bike.
Right.
And it'll throw.
You do it on here, you're in trouble.
Yeah, you go over the bars probably. But yeah.
Heavy feet, light hands.
Okay. And so, when I'm jumping, do I push, like, am I just compressing the suspension? Because I've seen videos of different things where it's like you're pushing away from the face of the jump, or am I blung and trying to bounce the bike over the jump?
Well, the higher you want to go, the more you stomp, but it's really just just drop your heels real hard.
Okay. Okay.
But a little bit will go a long way.
Yeah.
So, like, if you want to play with preload like that, I would do it along this line at first.
Okay, yeah.
And just go, like, don't pedal into it, because you'll just overshoot the crap out.
Okay. That's another thing, trying to gauge the speed for these jumps.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I'm going so slow, but I can still clear it, and I'm like,
right.
It just doesn't register mentally yet. But
yeah, I don't know if you've ridden this line that I'm working on right now, but it's the biggest of the
I have not.
lines. Okay, so
Yeah.
like that. It's all very progressive designed, where that's the most beginner, and it's very straightforward. You really don't have to do anything. You don't have to pedal from the top. You just roll. And
oh, so the line. So am I going up a line?
No.
Okay.
No, like you're doing the right thing.
Okay.
That's the circuit. It's just if you wanted to go. Well, so that's a separate little circuit. And
Okay.
This is the bigger circuit.
Okay.
You can connect the two if you want to by where you're climbing right now.
I can just turn back down?
Yeah, you can turn and go down that.
Okay.
And then it'll also kick you back out onto the trail that you've been climbing already.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Yeah, if you go down this, the right side is little jumps, the left side is little drops.
Okay.
So just like kind of.
Oh, there's some little drops over there?
Little rock drops.
Yeah, I seen that big boy up there. I want to do it, but.
The third one here, it's visually intimidating. It's really not bad, but it's between some trees that are kind of skinny.
Okay.
So it'll get in your head, but
yeah.
You'll look at it, you'll see what you think.
Okay.
It's very similar to the first one here. The second one is nothing.
Yeah.
The first one, like when it branches.
Okay, I see the first one here. Okay.
Yeah. So the first one and the third one are basically the same thing. It's
okay.
just the third one.
The visual, yeah. Okay, I'll check it, and I can just swoop around right here and check it out.
Yeah. As soon as you get to that lower hub right here.
Okay.
So there's a lower hub and an upper hub.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, you can kind of play with a little bit of preload and prop and stuff on these, and different speeds.
Yeah.
If you really want to get the hang of the preload thing, just go slower.
Okay.
Like, the slower you're going, the less the consequences on any
right.
of the jumps.
Right.
And then at the top of the line you've been coming down, it's the like green and blue like ski run difficulty. So you're on what's the green line. They're not named yet. We're getting there. But the green line, it's got a lot of variety.
Yeah.
And like once you're comfortable, like very comfortable with these, you'll kind of figure out probably the one where these closest rocks are.
The downhill guy?
Yeah. That one, like after the two berms.
Yeah.
That one is probably the most chill jump on that whole green line.
Oh yeah,
like
yep.
The easiest one.
I just float over that one,
like,
I think.
Okay, this one's the easiest, and then this one, and then and you kind of piece it together.
Yeah.
But then like once you're super comfortable on the green, when you step over to the blue line, you'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, it's very similar to the green, but they're all just amped up.
Yeah. Okay.
And they're still like everything is rollable except for that rock at the very, very, very beginning.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that
you have to
need
commit,
to
yeah.
actually hop off of. But there's even a ride around for that, just because people are going to do it anyway. But
yeah,
it's really just a kind of a visual indicator of like, if this is scary, you're probably not here.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Now for this one that's downhill into that big berm on the green line there, could I just like carry my speed into that berm, or should I probably brake a little bit into that berm?
You can probably carry your speed into it. I usually brake check a little bit, but I don't think I need to.
Okay.
Like, you're not going to go out of the berm.
Yeah.
It goes fully vertical.
Yeah, it's a big one, yeah. Heck yeah.
Also that jump that, the step up that kind of leads into that.
Yeah.
You can, if you jump it straight, then you're going up over a roller again. But if you jump it kind of left, you can go up onto the back slope.
Okay.
So if you feel like you're overshooting the landing,
okay.
Hopping left to the back slope, like there's little options everywhere. You just have to see them.
Okay. Sick, man.
Yeah. And then, you know, there's that roller that you then go up over right before that big berm. It's there as like a, if you're going fast enough, you might be able to make it to that.
That'd be sick, yeah.
I haven't tried that yet.
Yeah.
You know, I put it there. It's like a maybe. I don't know what you're going to do with all that speed if you get over it.
That's a big gap.
If you got the skill for that gap, you probably also have the skill to manage that berm.
Yeah.
So have fun.
Sick, man. Thanks again.
No problem.
All right. Thank you. Oh, sick. Oh. Okay. Say again? Ah. Okay. Whoa! Oh, sick. This is the last run. I'm gonna link everything together, those drops and all that. Here we go. That was it for today, guys. That one over the bars on that one. A little scary, but it's okay. We learning.